What is going on YouTube? This is actually a continuation of my last video. I literally just put this exhaust on, so I'm gonna go do a first impressions ride. Let's see. All right, so first impressions, this exhaust is obnoxiously loud. I'm thinking I may end up having to do what I originally planned, which is purchasing some just universal baffles and throw it in there. I don't really want to, but I don't know if I'm willing to deal with this. Number two, I can't really test the torque yet. I got to get out of this traffic, but it feels like I lost a little bit of torque. Even though I got the torque cones in there, I may not have. It's just I can't really give it gas right here. And I know they sell something called Thunder Torque or Torque Thunder, something like that, made by DK Customs. I was thinking about getting some of those to put in the end, which I may end up having to do. I just haven't decided yet. I'll tell you one thing, it's definitely cold out here. This was kind of stupid to go test ride right now, but I had the bike outside and I'm like, hey, might as well test it out. I forgot I didn't put my other mirror on, and I keep looking there to look at my rear and there's no mirror. But this one right here, you might as well say that them little mirrors are just for aesthetics, basically for look, because they seem completely pointless. Well, the one good thing is I don't really feel the heat coming from the exhaust, but maybe because it's cold as hell outside, that might be the reason I'm not really feeling the heat too much. Another thing I'm noticing that I'm not that fond of is when you put your leg down, your leg is right in front of the exhaust. The exhaust isn't that hot though, but literally my leg sits right in front of it, unless I either angle it back a little or just leave it on the peg, but whatever. I know I'm not really going to get the tester out really well today, because number one, it's wet, and number two, it's cold. And what does wet and cold equal? No traction. So I'm not going to play those games. Okay, yeah, she still has torque. It seems like it has a little bit more torque than it had when I had the Bassani on here, actually. It may be because of the torque cones I put in there. I didn't have those in there on the Bassani exhaust. So yeah, she definitely still has a little bit more torque than the Bassani's had. But then again, I haven't even retuned the tuner yet. I still have to do that. And I realized I didn't even put my my side cover back on. So I'm riding without that right now. But again, this was just to test out the bike. She definitely screams. People will definitely hear her. I'm thinking I better get some gas, because I haven't put gas in this thing in a while. Oh boy. V-Power. That's all I ever put in the bikes. No, I don't want a car wash. I just want to put $4 in here. That's plenty. Perfect. Oh, it sounds like she's shooting. Sounds like she's shooting flames. Definitely popping. I don't think the pop is a good thing though. I'm not sure. I have to research that a bit. A lot of people like it. I guess there's all kind of lives. Bike life, boat life, and tow life. So yeah, overall, especially for the price I paid for this exhaust, I'm fairly satisfied as of now, but we'll see how it holds up over time. And then after I tune it, And if I put those DK Customs Thunder Torques in there, but for a first initial ride, I'd say it's riding better than the Bassani exhaust did, but that's probably solely due to the torque cones that I put inside this thing, because that helps it keep a little bit of back pressure. So it's your boy Infinite Rider. I'm about to head back in because I'm getting cold as and I will see you in the next one. If it's your first time by the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell so you'll be notified upon my uploads. If it's not your first time by the channel, thank you for swinging by again. Make sure you like and comment below, and y'all ride safe. Infinite Rider, Infinite Rider, Infinite Rider signing out. Infinite Rider, Infinite Rider, Infinite Rider signing out. I call myself Infinite Rider when I don't ride in infinite conditions. Drax down, stomps.
I think I see the police. I'm about to decrease my speed, 'cause I really need to slow it down, slow it down.